What's up, guys? One more product by Alabama. So today I'm gonna explain you something. So basically we're doing a bathroom at this basement. Let me adjust the zoom. So this is the shower, here's the toilet. So all the drain, all the shower, so we break it up all the way here and we connect it to the main drain here. So basically this product will cost for the homeowner something about $12,000, labor plus material. So if you like the project, put in the comments below. Only the bathroom, $12,000 labor plus materials.